I'm with Arun Dev now, and Arun, the subject of your works are quite ambiguous, actually, right?
Yeah.
So, can you tell us a little bit about you and how you came to this body of work which you've just done for
Okay.
West College Art?
Okay, that's what I'm trying to work out. This ambiguity. I mean, nothing is. There is no common truth or an ultimate truth. It's always ambiguous. It depends on each and every person. Like the way we perceive the world, it depends on each and every person. I mean, every one of us live in their own reality, their own world. So you can't say that there is a single reality or. So it's ambiguous. Nothing is clear. I mean.
I think there's a lot of, a lot of people have different perspectives, and everyone feels their perspective is the center of the world, whereas it is not. I don't know. I got the feeling with that.
No, you're very right. And I was explaining this to the other lady. I was taking an example of this hotel now. So I've been here yesterday, Oberoi Hotel. So my experience, when I hear this word Oberoi, the first image that comes in my mind might be that any good or bad incident that happened inside this hotel. So that will come immediately in my mind. So the image forms out of Oberoi word is different, and for you it might be different. So you might have had some good experience or a bad experience. So there are actually two Oberoi hotels. There is this physical thing here, and we all carry a different Oberoi hotel inside us. It's in the same way, there are a lot of people living in Delhi. So every one of us is carrying a different Delhi inside us.
Yes, so these social pockets which we see, and
yeah.
the sky, the skyscrapers with the little boards and everything coming together.
Yeah.
And also, I think with the work on what's this particular work called?
Cooling towers, billboard, and a hole. Or how many holes does it take to know that there is no meaning in a hole?
Right.
So it's up to you that what you think, which is a hole, which is meaningless, and you have to dig it and find out some meaning or put some meaning in it. So it's up to you. In the same way, I just picked it up formally so that it could be arranged in a beautiful way on the canvas. It doesn't have any meaning for me. So it's up to you that you connect. If you could connect and if you could get some meaning, then it's fine. I mean, it's the same thing.
It does make you think about. You've never really considered a whole as anything. But now, with your canvas here, you can actually think about it and think about the various probably contextual meanings it might have for someone, right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Arun.
Welcome.